Hello everyone, my name is Manisha Anitambekar. Today's date is 4 April 2022 and today's video topic is a instant variable, difference between instant variable and static variable and instant method and static method. Instant Instance variable are declared in a class but outside a method, constructor or any block. Um, uh, Static variable class declared also known as static variable are declared with the static keyword in a class but outside a method, constructor or a block. Second point of instant variable. Instant variable are created when an object is created with the use of the keyword new and destroyed when the object is destroyed. And second point is a static variable. Static variable are created when the program start, the destroy when the program stops. Instant variable can be accessed directly by calling the variable name inside the class. uh, however, with static method, when instant variable are given accessibility, they should be called using the fully qualified name, object reference variable name. Static variable can be accessed by calling with the class name variable name. Uh, Instant variable hold value that must be referenced by more than one method, constructor or block, or essential part of an object state that must be present through the class. The static variable, there would only be one copy of each class variable per class, regardless of how many objects are created from it. Uh, uh, Example of static variable: uh, public class variable, integer my variable, static integer data is equal to, for example, 30. Public static void main string argument, variable example of variable object is equal to new variable, system dot println value of instant variable, and value of and second system dot out dot println value of static variable. Output is value of instant variable is 0 and value of static variable is 30. And second point is a difference between static method and instant method. Instant method are method which require an object of its class to be created before it can be called. Static method are the method in Java that that can be without creating an object of class. A static method is declare with a static keyword. Instance method is not with a static keyword. Static method means which will be exit as a single copy for a class, but instant method exit as multiple copies depending on the number of instance created for that class. Static method can be invoked by using class reference. Instance or non-static method are invoked by using object reference. Static method can't access instant method and instant variable directly. Instant method can access static variable and static method directly. Uh, Static methods variable belongs to be whole class, not just an object instant. A static method variable is associated with the class as a whole rather than specific instance of the class. Each object will will share a common copy of the static method variable. There is only one copy per class, no matter how many objects are created from it. That's it. Thank you.